जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी. बोला पुंडलिक वरद्यारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today, here I want to tell you about Sant Sadhguru Ganeshnath Maharaj, Avang third. Here he have told to us sage and ordinary human beings difference, means what is difference between these two people. Because as a birth, no one is a sage, because everyone is an ordinary human being only, first stage. But to become a sage, that person will do some practice, or he will choose one path. On once he went on that way, then he will become a sage. So if you know that path, everyone have chance to become a sage. So that thing here my son Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj have telling to us. समतुल्य कैसे संत आणि जन. If you see the overall, there have lot of difference between ordinary human beings and sage. There have three qualities of people. One is they are living their own life. They will not disturb the society. They are with their family, with their kids. They are enjoying their life. They are not thinking about society or anything. They are happy with their family. Second type of people, they can't stay happily in their family, as well as they can't stay in society as also as a satisfied human being. What they will do, they will make trouble in society. They have half knowledge about dharma, or they have half knowledge about anything what they have learned. They just received half knowledge. With that knowledge, what they will do, they will make difficulty in the society. They will spread uh, means means like poison. With that poison, like anyone can die. Same thing, bad thoughts, bad thinking, that volaya they will create, means they will stay in the society to make a difficulty. And third persons who is want to make this society lovely place, means they want to spread this love, and they want to make everyone hearts with graceful and with happiness. This is the third quality of person, and that is called a sage. So here that thing is Ganeshnath Maharaj have telling samtulya kaise sant jan. We can't compare that person who have creating difficulty in the society and that person who is making happiness to everyone. And वाळ आणि सोने कैसे बिके. So it is like gold and iron. See how much valuable thing is gold compared to iron. So we can't keep gold on the roadside, but we can keep iron on the roadside, because iron have low cost value and as compared to the gold. So same thing. So means if you think in the society how many sage peoples are there, good human beings are there, so very shortage of those people. If good human beings are increased in society, that society will become happy. But nowadays we can see good human beings are very less and bad human beings are so many, because they are just trying to make uh, quarrel to between one dharma and other dharma, or one society to other society. They do not thinking to spread love. They are just thinking how will become fight or how will become the war. So those people are very dangerous for the society or for nation or for state, anything. संत आणि जन कैसी बरोबरी. You can't compare uh, good human being and bad human being, because hingan bailgiri kon pade. Sage are the stable person. They know Paramatma power, Parmeshwara power, and due to that thing, they whatever action they are doing, they are thinking before to do that, is it good or bad. But bad human beings person will not think what will be affect those things in the society. Sometime his that person's own family will be crashed out in that difficulty. Not only family, himself he will be die, but he are not worry about that. He don't know good or bad thing because he don't have that sense. So he is doing like without sense. So here what Ganeshnath Maharaj have telling. So sage person or good human being have sense, and with that sense he is staying in the society. But who is bad human being, he is not thinking good and bad actions. Means before doing that action he will not verify is it good or bad. Just simply he is spreading bad thoughts, bad task in this society, or he is doing bad task in this society. Kaisi barobari jan ani santa. Again he is telling, one more example is giving like vish ani amrita kaise tuke. These sage people or good human beings are amrita. They will give lives to the people. They will tell importance of this human being janma, because in this janma only we can pray to the god, we can remember to the god. Other pashu or other animals can't pray to the god, but we have that power, means viveka, heart, everything, and thinking power, our imagination power. So we can do those things where we can get the, or we can know the god. But and this is like amrita. So these thoughts are spreading by the sage people or good human being. But what bad human beings are doing, they will not go to that circle center point on their way. What they will do, to going on own path, they will create difficulty to others path. So in that trouble only they are satisfied. They are just be doing trouble to other people. They are not thinking I have to go to that center of the circle. They are just fighting each other to make uh, this society in trouble. And this is a very dangerous like poison. गणेशनाथ म्हणे बोलिलो अवघड पाहतो पायाकडे संताची या. It is very difficult to understand, but we have to understand as Miss Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj is telling, if you know this proper way of life, and how, what need to eat, what need to drink, what need, means how to stay in the society, if we have that sense, then this society will become very means helpful, peaceful, or very happy. But or we can stay in this society very happily. But if you not thinking as a good human beings way, then and we are going behind bad human beings way path, then this society will become a trouble. So be careful and take the good thoughts from good human being and act as per that. गणेशनाथ 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 गणेशनाथ. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.